I hope you all are staying safe and trying to be patient until this lockdown is over. Running out of some vegetables and fruits, and I wanted to try something different with whatever I have. Hello and welcome to my channel Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about inspiring one another and building each other up. Today I'll be showing how to make a quick healthy snack and eat it in a fancy way as well. As you can see, this is what I have. I have these 2 tomatoes and I have some celery and I have mini peppers and I have one pear. This is going to be my first snack. I've already washed them and dried them and I'm going to cut the ends and then cut these peppers in half. Remove any seeds if you have. If you don't need any seeds, you can just slice it off and remove it. I have 1 red, 1 orange and 1 yellow mini sweet peppers and I'm going to cut them. As you can see, I've cut them in halves, and these mini sweet peppers are filled with vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin K. Can be a good snack as is. You can eat or fill it with anything in addition to your entree as well. So I am going to fill this with hummus. I have this hummus. It's a Middle Eastern dip or spread. It's made from boiled chickpeas and tahini. I really love this and I am going to use this for a quick bite. So I am going to fill these bell peppers. Now that looks yummy. I'm going to fill the rest in the same way and I will show you how it looks. You can plate it. And you can plate it and eat it. Another good healthy snack that you can make is out of tomatoes. Rich in antioxidant and it's packed with vitamin C and potassium. Let's get started. We'll be cutting tomatoes. These vine tomatoes are nice and juicy, filled with vitamin C. You can have it and your kids can have it. You're going to love. It's going to be a quick, healthy bite, healthy snack whenever you need. And now that I've cut these tomatoes, I'll cut, this is a nice mozzarella cheese and I am going to be cutting in half. This is mint and I'm going to be using a little bit of dried mint and I'm going to crush it. A quick healthy snack all ready to go. My next snack is going to be with pears. Pears is another good source of vitamin C and K. It also has a little bit of calcium and magnesium, which is good in today's time. I'll also be using nutso, vegan butter mixed with nuts. You may use almond butter or peanut butter or whatever spread you would like. You would prefer, you can use it. I'm going to use this. I'll be using Triscuit. You can use any crackers. Let's get started and see how to make this simple, easy, healthy snack. As you can see, I've already cut my pears. Let me demonstrate a quick way how to cut these pears. In an angle, I'm holding it in an angle and cutting it. Cutting those pears in thin slices so that it's easy for our snack. I'm going to spread this nutso. You can also have this activity along with your kids. They are going to enjoy it. I'm just going to place these pears, as you can see, on top of this nutso. And there my next snack is going to be with celery sticks. This is filled with potassium and fiber, and it's also good for any inflammation. Celery sticks are really good to eat as is, but I'm going to give it a little extra kick. And let me show you how. These celery sticks are already washed. I'm quickly going to cut the ends and cut them in 3 parts. Just like that. I'm going to do each. In this bowl I have oil and crushed red pepper. To this I'm going to be adding salt. You can add desired salt. And I'm going to add some crushed black pepper. Going to quickly stir it and rub the whole celery in this mixture. This will be such a fun activity to your mundane routine cooking. There is no bake and no cooking required. All you have to do is just use your creativity, which we are all using in today's time. And you can quickly plate them just like that for your quick, ready to go snack. And there you have another quick, healthy bite ready to go. As you can see, I have made this as a quick appetizer platter so that you can have a quick, healthy snack, not only just for you and me, but for your kids and for your loved ones. Break it out from your mundane routine, and also you can eat it in style. See you all in my next video, and please leave a comment. What other healthy snack would you be making when you're home, so that we can all inspire one another? Thank you and stay safe.